Every strategy suitability index is a score out of 100. The higher the score, the more suitable the property market is for that strategy. Now, the off-the-plan strategy is a score given to a property market to indicate its potential to buy properties off the plan. Properties are sometimes being built and are sold to buyers based on the property plans only. Buyers can't inspect the property yet since it doesn't exist yet. So investors will try to make a stag profit using this strategy. They will hope the market grows during the time it takes to build the property. During that time, they may have very little interest to pay on the mortgage, so the hope is they will acquire equity for virtually no outlay. Now, every strategy suitability index is based on the demand to supply ratio at its core. However, the final score has been adjusted to favour markets more likely to deliver on this specific strategy. Oversupply from other developers competing in the same market will ruin this strategy, so the score checks for a low percentage of stock on market. And if you buy into multiple dwelling development, your property will become available to rent with all the other similar properties at the same time. So you don't want to be competing with other landlords over tenants, so a low proportion of landlord-owned properties is an important metric. And you don't want to buy a property you can't rent, so a healthy vacancy rate at the time of purchase, well, it might not be so healthy at the time of settlement. Even more reason to have a very low vacancy rate at the time of purchase. And you don't want to enter a market with high demand and low supply that is about to run out of puff. So timing the entry into the market is vital, since it may take longer than planned to build that property. And for this reason, a good market cycle timing score helps.